Hello, my name is Casey Lindo, and this is my part for the problem definition. Okay, so during the Olympic Games, athletes need to have an exceptional amount of sleep. They need to have everything set out perfectly for them in order for them to succeed in whatever they're doing. If they're swimming, they need to have proper stretching. If they're running track, stretching, playing golf, make sure that their swing is uptight. They need to have everything set in stone. Not only training that has to do with food, shelter, travel, and training, along with that training. And although all these aspects are important, one of the main important parts that comes into play is sleep and time, right? So they need time and sleep in order to get any of this stuff done. So take a swimmer, for instance. These athletes need a bed in order to sleep that will be eco-friendly, lightweight, durable, as well as comfortable in order for them to get a great night's sleep and put them in the best position to perform at their highest ability. So what they need is a bed that can be easily assembled and easily collapsible that will allow athletes to dedicate more time to training and prepping for their event and be able to dedicate more time to be sleeping, make sure they're getting those enough hours to get that great sleep and just have that energy to perform at the maximum level. So this bed, our bed, will provide them with all of that, which is why this is the problem we need to tackle right away.
Starting the project, our initial idea was to allow the corners and the sides to be able to bend into the square shape that we wanted. However, the problem was if we allow the sides and the corners to bend, we couldn't get to the shape that we actually wanted, which is the square. So instead, we created the bed that can be assembled using four equal square parts. Each of the square parts have cardboard strips attached to them to allow them to separate, but not separate fully, making it easier to carry around. When the bed is together, all you have to do is separate it in half and then bend it on top of one another until it turns into a rectangle. While it's in the rectangle, you can separate it again and fold it again the same way as before to create the square shape that we wanted, making it easier to travel around with the box square bed.
Our target market is Olympic athletes, and Olympians are travelers who are in need of a lot of sleep. Because of that, there is a high demand for lightweight, portable, and recyclable beds. We plan to meet all of those needs by making cardboard beds that can be used over and over again by Olympic athletes so they can travel from place to place and the bed will stay together. Also, our beds will be able to meet the needs for all kinds of people, homeless people that we can donate them to, or spectators of the Olympians who are good fans and want to buy a second-hand used bed that was once used by an Olympian.
The main needs is that the bed must be eco-friendly, lightweight, and durable. This bed is all those things. Because it is made of recycled and reused cardboard, it allows for no waste and minimal cost. Because of the material and the fact that it can collapse, makes it so that it is also travel friendly. Due to the design and the corner pattern, the bed is very durable and is strong enough to hold 200 kilograms, or about 440 pounds. The best feature of this bed, anatomically, is the clips on the corner that fasten to each bendable piece. This makes the process of collapsing the bed simple and possible. The fact that this bed has minimal separate pieces is the highlight of the collapsibility.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Fields, and I'm here to talk about the viability of our collapsible bed. To say the least, it is very economical. The bed is made up of recycled products such as cardboard and hooks. The construction price is between $25 to $30 just because of the recycled product usage, and the sales price will be about $60, which is very affordable. Not only will we make profit, but every buyer would be given an affordable opportunity to purchase the bed. The construction cost is covered with the sales price, which makes it very economical because every one bed we sell, we can create two more beds. Our targeted market is athletes who already have other outstanding costs, yet with one purchase of a $60 bed, the cost of buying the most expensive hotel during competition no longer has to be an option.
Not only will maintenance be minimal, but also construction. The collapsibility of this product is what makes it. The only parts that a customer needs to put together is the legs of the bed, making it so that there are only a total of 6 separate parts of the bed that needs constructing. Sliding the legs into the uncollapsed bed frame is the only step needed to set up the bed.